How to create countdown on Snapchat. Here's how. First, launch the Snapchat app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. This will take you to your Snapchat profile. Here, scroll down until you see the countdown section. Click on the create a new countdown to begin. In the add a title section, enter a name for your countdown. Furthermore, choose the exact date and time for when your countdown will end. This ensures Snapchat will track the time left accurately. Additionally, tap the share with friends and select the Snapchat username of the people you want to notify about this countdown. Then click on the next button at the bottom to continue. Double check all the details including the title, date, time and the selected friends. If everything is correct, hit the create button to finalize the countdown. That's all.